Produce fully customized lighting effects in no time with Murals, an intuitive, interactive tool in Corsair iCUE that enables you to create custom RGB lighting effects by using any static or animated image, your audio output, or even your display as a dynamic palette for unique lighting that spans across your room. To get started with iCUE Murals, make sure you first updated to the latest version of Corsair iCUE. You'll now see a section called Murals in the left sidebar on the iCUE home screen with the selection of preset effects. To enable one of these effects, simply click on it and it'll automatically apply to all compatible devices detected by iCUE. Murals effects are compatible with most Corsair gaming mice, headsets, keyboards, components that support RGB lighting, and partner devices such as Philips Hue and Nanoleaf. To turn off Murals, simply click on the active effect to disable it. To add a new Murals effect, hit the plus button. You'll be able to select from a variety of custom effects. For this tutorial, we'll be using image capture with an animated image. You'll see some default image options, or you can add your own by hitting the plus button. Once you've selected an image, adjust the scale and positioning to your liking. Now name your new Murals effect and click Create. Your new effect will now be applied to your connected devices compatible with iCUE Murals. To make quick adjustments to your new Murals effect, hover your mouse over the tile for your effect and open the Colors and Settings menu. You'll be able to change the effect type, rename your effect, select a new image, and adjust the scaling for this effect or any others that you may have already created. For more advanced controls, navigate to the Murals tab at the top of the iCUE window. Here you'll see a preview of your Murals effects, with enabled devices laid out over your chosen source. To adjust how lighting is played back on your devices, simply drag and drop them to different parts of the window. You can stack devices on top of each other, adjust their size, and change their orientation using the controls. You can also view a list of all devices that are enabled for Murals and decide whether you wish to include them with the toggle on the right. This also allows you to mix and match Murals effects with iCUE's layered lighting system you may already be familiar with. And that's it. iCUE Murals makes it easier than ever to create unique lighting effects that sync across your desk and expand to include the space around you for complete immersion. Thanks for watching.